Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, I'll guide you through the easy steps to reset your Victure WE1200 Wi-Fi range extender. Whether you're fixing connection issues or preparing it for a fresh setup, this quick and simple process will have your device up and running in no time. Let's dive in. Resetting the Victure WE1200 Wi-Fi extender is necessary to resolve connectivity issues, restore factory settings, or prepare the device for a new setup. This process helps eliminate configuration errors, remove saved networks, and ensures a fresh start for optimal performance and seamless functionality. Start by ensuring your Victure WE1200 is securely plugged into a power outlet. Once connected, power on the device and wait for the power LED to light up and stay solid. This indicates that the extender is fully powered and ready for use. Next, locate the reset button on your Victure WE1200 extender. It's typically a small pinhole, found on the side or bottom of the device. To press it, you'll need a paper clip or any pointed object to gently press and hold the button for a few seconds. Take a paper clip and insert it into the reset pinhole, pressing it down firmly for about 10 to 15 seconds. During this time, the LEDs on the Victure WE1200 extender will begin to flash. When the lights stop blinking and remain steady, the reset is successfully completed. After resetting, your Victure WE1200 will return to its factory default settings. You'll need to set it up again, either using the WPS method or through the web interface. Check out our other videos for detailed setup guides. If you need help or face any issues, our expert team is ready to assist. Don't hesitate to reach out for support and guidance. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713, and we'll ensure your concerns are addressed promptly. And that's how you reset your Victure WE1200 Wi-Fi range extender. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.